A lot of people think starting an air starter is as simple as pressing a button and boom, the air spins the motor. Not quite. It's a little more engineering ballet than that. Next, I'll use an animation to walk you through what really happens during the startup process. First, we open the solenoid valve. This can be done either by manually pressing the start button on the solenoid valve or by sending it an electrical signal. Once the solenoid valve opens, compressed air enters the control air circuit of the air starter. This air drives the internal mechanism, causing the starter pinion to extend and engage with the diesel engine's flywheel ring gear. Then, compressed air flows into the next stage of the control circuit and opens the relay valve. As soon as the relay valve opens, the main air line is established, and that's when the starter motor comes to life.